Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Victoria 3 is launcher is not working, or you are having general error, initializing gaming getting failed error when you're trying to launch. As you can see, when you're trying to play, many of the users are getting this error. So we're going to talk about how to fix this. So first, when you do this, you just have to make sure that if you're on the Steam, when you're trying to launch the game, if you're getting this error, the first step is you just have to close the Steam. Okay, you have to close it purposefully. Then you just have to restart it once again. Then navigate to library, then try to launch the game. That might be working. This is what you have to do as the first step. And move to the next one. After, if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. That is all about you have to run the launcher installation windows in the launcher folder. For that, you just have to go to the Steam, navigate to library, then right click, select the game, right click and go to manage. Then you just have to go to browse local files. Now from here, what you have to do is you just have to select the launcher. You just have to select the launcher. When you select the launcher, you will be getting an option like this, launcher installer windows. You will be getting one link this, so you just have to right click. Now select it and go for right click, and most cases you will be having an options to repair. Go for repair option. So you just have to click on repair option here. In my case there is no issue, but here you have to go for repair. So after repairing, if any bugs are there, that will be fixing. Then you just have to close this, then launch the game. And after repairing the launcher installation windows, if you're still having the trouble, the next is all about you have to uninstall and reinstall it back. For that, you just have to select the respective launcher installer windows, right click. Now go for show more options. You'll be getting an option to uninstall. Now go for uninstall this product. So this is getting one. So just select this once again, go to show more option, go for install. So as you can see, you'll be getting an option like this, paradox. So just go for next and install. So just wait for it. So once this is successfully done, it is done, you just have to close this, then try to launch the game. So you have to do things. You have to repair the launcher installation folder, and you have to see whether it's working, and if it's not working, then you just have to uninstall and reinstall it back, and most probably that will be working good. Next is all about you have to do is you just have to launch the game using Victoria's 3.exe folder file, and that is what you have to do. So to do this, you just have to follow the instruction. The first thing what you have to do is just have to click on the Victoria 3 over here, right click, and you just have to go to manage, go for browse local files. Now from here, you just have to do is just have to go to the binaries over here at the top, select this, and this is the .exe file. So you just have to right click and go for show more options, select this one and go for over here run it as an administrator. Once the game is run it as an administrator, most probably the issue regarding this has to be fixed. And moving to the next one is all about if it's not working, the next one is you just have to close this, go over here on Windows settings, just navigate to settings, go over here on the apps and go to apps and feature. Now over here, if you search for Victoria, you will be able to see that. So go for search Victoria. So just search Victoria and you are able to see, just click over here, go for uninstall, then reinstall it back and see whether you are able to fix the issue. And if it's not still working and you're having the trouble with Victoria 3 right now on your PC or laptop when you're trying to play, the next is all about you have to go to the link. I'll be providing a link in the description to this. This is actually to the Paradox Interactive, where that will be taken to this. Now from here, you have to download the launcher and you have to install the Windows version. As you can see, the Paradox launcher version 2 is available, v.2. Just download it on the Windows, then try and install it. And after that, you just have to go back to the Steam and just launch the Victoria 3, and that will be working good. And this is what you have to do when you're having the error on Victoria 3. You are having general error, initializing game failed error, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.